Hi, my name's Kate Wilkinson. I'm a hair artist in Northern Arizona, and I'm here to show you this color that I'm about to do. So here is her natural hair color. As you can see, she has a lot of gray and some previous blonde, and we're just gonna go in and throw a few highlights in. So don't mind my really messy table. It's just stained from color. Yeah, we need to get a new one. Anyways, I did use 40 volume with her, and I used 1 scoop of Flash Lift, and I used the pH bonder, and I added 2 ml to it, and I did 1 ounce of the 40 volume. I don't know if I said that. So I don't think I've been on here in a while since I got hair extensions, but yes, I have hair extensions and I love them. My natural hair, there it is, right there. That's how long my hair is. And I got 16-inch hair extensions from Jay-Z Styles, and they are ones that I offer and use at the salon, and I love them. So when we come back to shampoo her and color glaze her, I'm gonna shampoo her with the Fanola No Yellow shampoo. If you guys haven't tried this, it's amazing. I almost pre-tone everything with that Fanola No Yellow shampoo. So after I do that, I'm gonna put the pH bonder, the number 2 on, and I'll let that sit for about 8 minutes and then rinse. Put the toner on, which I'm gonna be using the 9V. And then while that's sitting, it's just something you have to watch. So it may be 5 to 10 minutes that it sits on. And then I go ahead and I spray the Redken Extreme Cat on her ends, and then I spray the Redken Chemistry, the 3.5, and this just helps seal on the toner and the color glaze so that it lasts longer. And I always use my favorite brush. It's the Bath Pack brush. Love it so much. I need to get a new one just because this is fading off here. But I recommend this brush. I use it for when I do my teasy lights, my colors, everything. I am going to be using the color glaze, the 9V from Redken Shades EQ. Love this color gloss. I will never use I can't say I won't ever use anything else, but why try something new when this works every single time? And then I also switched and started using the color gels, the 10 volume. They discontinued this color line. I love this developer when I'm doing my color glosses and glazes, and so I stocked up, but once I'm out, and I'll have to switch just to the regular 10 volume. But if you guys have any other ways that you guys do your color glazes and it works for you, please let me know in the comments below, because I'm always up for trying new things, and if you guys have something that works better, let me know. So right here, I am showing you what I lifted her to and how many foils I put in her hair. So I'm just walking around the head and showing you. I counted them and there were about 11 foils. So it doesn't take much to break up and camouflage gray hair. For those that don't want to commit to color, they can just move into it softly and like still keep it bright and fresh for them. And so I use the Fanola No Yellow Violet shampoo, and then I am toning with the 9V here, and you can see how I just wanted to show you like how I massage it into the hair. I just really get in there and make sure it's like covering it, and I do leave my toners on for longer. I've just found that they are darker when I go to blow dry their hair, but I feel like they last longer and the pigment stays in longer. So I left hers on for probably 8 minutes. And so you can see here her color. She's so happy, and we are so happy with it. Thanks for watching, guys.